때문에 이 많은 섬들에 그렇게 오는 거야 너의 시선은 깜빡이는 눈이 내게 입 맞추네 언제 그랬냐는 듯 내 앞에 다가와 Oh 틱톡 틱톡 눈을 굴려보내 힐끔 또 쳐다보네 볼 듯 안 보일 듯 독한 일 보내 날 담기엔 이 밤이 너무 짧겠지 아슬아슬해 보여 네가 날 흔들 때 숨막히는 chemistry 이건 게임이 아니야 너도 알잖아 우리 불 끌었던 그다음 일
Good morning. Anyway, how are you all doing? So, I'm ready. I'm going now to go to a furniture shop. So I saw this on Facebook. Someone is selling out some of their furniture or all of their furniture. And I wrote to the person and they said, oh, they sent me the address and they said it's, but they are still selling. They still have some furniture to sell. So right now, I'm dressed up. I'm going there to see if I can find any cheap furniture, any furniture that doesn't cost a lot of money. You know, furniture are kind of expensive here in Sweden. IKEA is another alternative. Jysk is another alternative. But most furniture companies, their products are very expensive. So I'm going there now to see if I can find something for my veranda, for my hallway. And yes, so this is me dressed up for the day. So come with me.
Have you noticed something that the public transportation system, especially in Stockholm, is always clean? Maybe 95% clean, always sparkling clean. But today I'm going to a thrift store to see if I can buy some furniture there for my home. So come with me and let's enjoy the ride. If you don't know it yet, know that Sweden is the land of thrifting. Like almost everything can be thrifted in Sweden, from clothes to furniture to like I don't think we thrift food. Yeah, we do. You can find food there is this app that you can find food from restaurants or cafe where they don't want to throw it away, so they sell it at a cheaper rate. So yes, we thrift everything. I even saw something on social media yesterday where someone is thrifting or trying to sell a bikini that she bought from Shein. She bought this bikini for, let's say, 60 krono, and she's trying to sell this bikini for 40 krono. So we thrift everything here in Sweden, which is good. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, put my son like this, put him like this. Fittja African. Good. Now I am in H&M to return this. To order the two jeans. Other two jeans, but they are far from what I want. I play music here, so so I am in an African store at Fittja. Seriously, I didn't plan to be here today, but I want to make some soup. I want to make some soup. So, and I need fish. I need dry fish, and I need Morocco stockfish. Yeah, stockfish. I need the Morocco stockfish and dry fish to make my soup. And I had to run into this place quickly to get what I want. So if you see me looking around, just know that I'm just here doing everything fast so I can leave. Do they have here? Do they have fish here? Somebody's making soup. Who is making that soup? Like you don't have fish. It's like you don't have fish. dry fish.
No, I not get from Nigeria, but I get this food.
Okay, the ice fish.
Ice fish?
No, it's not ice fish. How much is everything now? Hope.
Yeah.
Eh?
3. 9
Nesta